Hello friends, everyone will let you know how they are in the comments. Today I will talk about Dogecoin. Here is the Dogecoin price prediction in 2022. Dogecoin started as a joke in 2013. Soon after launch, it developed other use cases, including charities and online tipping. Over the years, the coin performance was inconsequential. However, it started exhibiting massive growth potential in 2020. Within 1 year, it grew to become the biggest meme coin and effectively ranked among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalizations. Doge growth. 2021 was, without doubt, the best year for Dogecoin thus far. It was trading at $0.007 in January and went on to hit an all-time high of $0.7381 in May. However, it has lost about 70% of its value and was trading at $0.1715 at the end of 2021. That notwithstanding, the meme coin has gained massively since the beginning of the year. Dogecoin followed Bitcoin's bullish run. External factors, especially key opinion leaders, KOL, and influencers contributed significantly to the proliferation of value. For instance, tweets from Elon Musk and Snoop Dogg, two of the biggest impacted the growth of the Doge community. Currently, the crypto coin boasts a massive following from Twitter and Reddit. So, what is in store for Dogecoin? In 2022, it is likely to experience more growth, with institutional adoption and acceptance by retailers. Tesla has mooted accepting Doge as a payment alternative. Investors like Mark Cuban have invested heavily in Dogecoin. The investor owns Dallas Maverick, which accepts Dogecoin for tickets and merchandise. Some of the community members suggest using the meme coins for hot tubs. With increasing user cases, the price of Dogecoin is set to skyrocket. Dogecoin price forecasts for 2022. Q1 and Q2 predictions. According to Doge forecasts for 2022 provided by cryptopredictions.com, Doge will start 2022 trading at $0.233447. During the first quarter, the forecasted minimum price is $0.198430. The price growth is expected to rise through February, averaging $0.234112 in the month. Dogecoin is forecasted to close the first quarter at a maximum of $0.293125. In the second quarter, the predicted average price in April is $0.234677. Dogecoin is expected to hit a maximum price of $0.292728 as per the site predictions. In June, the price will average $0.234182. Q3 and 4 price predictions. Crypto Predictions algorithm predicts that Dogecoin will dip a little bit in July, with the expected maximum price falling to $0.291856. Similarly, the average price will go down to $0.232411 in August. Finally, the maximum price will drop to $0.286380 in September. The price is expected to dip further in the fourth quarter. The site's forecast shows that Dogecoin will trade at a maximum price of $0.286380 in October and close the year at a maximum price of $0.279832. However, another site providing Dogecoin forecasts, Trading Beasts, is a bit less optimistic and expects in Q4 an average price of $0.221. Fundamental analysis. Dogecoin's satirical nature has made it one of the most popular meme coins. Endorsement from Elon Musk and Mark Cuban has only fueled its wide popularity. The coin is used as a means of payment with low transaction costs. Currently, over 1,900 merchants accept Dogecoin as a means of payment as per Cryptwork data. Its tipping service is quite a unique use case, making it even more endearing to the Dogecoin community. The service allows users to give quick gifts to other users on Reddit and Twitter. Despite the above-mentioned use cases, Dogecoin has relatively less utility. Its growth will significantly depend on whether the influential figures will continue to support the meme coin. A tweet from Elon Musk in the new year could spring up the Dogecoin price at the beginning of 2022. Other notable supporters like Gene Simmons will have huge impacts on how the dog-themed coin will behave in 2022. The Dogecoin community will also influence the price of Doge in 2022. The digital coin currently boasts over 4.5 million total followers on both Reddit and Twitter. In addition, its listing on eToro had significantly boosted its reach to users. Like other meme coins, Dogecoin growth will largely depend on media attention and hype because they generally lack a strong foundation. The good news is that Dogecoin Foundation has unveiled a trail map detailing the 2022 project that will enhance its utility. At the top of this plan is to make Doge useful and boost its adoption through utility. The foundation gives examples of paying rent and buying coffee. Essentially, they plan to make Doge a universal coin by focusing on payments. Another development is the Gigawallet project. The API solution will enable developers to add Doge transactions on their platforms. Also, Doge is planning to establish community staking, which will help migrate the coin ecosystem from proof of work (POW) to proof of stake (POS). Here is an interesting development. Elon Musk is set to launch a Dogecoin-funded space mission in the first quarter of 2022. With all these developments, Dogecoin will likely resume the uptrend. If it breaks above the current all-time high, the next stop is $1. Final words on our Doge predictions for 2022. Dogecoin is the pioneer meme coin and boasts a massive following of the enthusiastic community. In 2021, it rose and touched new highs thanks to an endorsement from Mark Cuban, Elon Musk, and Snoop Dogg. However, it has shed most of its value towards the end of 2021 and is now trading in an area of interest. It is unlikely that the coin will go any lower. Dogecoin Foundation has lined up new projects which will enhance its utility and eventually boost its value. If the bulls regain market control, we could see Doge at a new market high that could be as high as $1. But that will depend on the success of Doge projects and, to some extent, whether Elon Musk tweets about Doge or not. I will make the next video based on your comments, so let me know what you want to get in the video. Everyone will be fine. Stay with Crypto Doctor. Thanks.